Kids, what is this? This is a dog. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. So for alphabet D, make a standing line, go up, make a C curve. For O, make a C curve, then make a reverse C curve. For G, make a C curve, go up, come down standing and make a curve. D-O-G, dog. Again we will write D. D says D. O. O says O. G. G says G. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Again we will write D. O. G. Dog. D-O-G, dog. What is this? This is a pot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. So for alphabet P, make a standing line, go up, make a reverse C curve. For O, make a C curve, then reverse C curve. For T, make a standing line, make a small curve and slipping line. P-O-T, pot. Again we will write P, O, T, pot. P, O, T, pot. What is this? This is a boy. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. So for alphabet B, make a standing line, go up, make a reverse C curve. For O, make a C curve and then reverse C curve. For Y, make a small slant line, then big slanting line. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. Again we will write B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. What is this? This is a top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. So for alphabet T, make a standing line, then make a small curve and a slipping line. For O, make a C curve and then reverse C curve. For P, make a standing line, go up, make a reverse C curve. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Again we will write T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Kids, like this way, you have to complete writing by yourself in your English class workbook, page number 105.